Hey, what's up? It's your boy Young Dude. Show you what we got under the Cutlass. You know what I'm saying? We already got the pipes on there, you know. Well, you hear how she sounding. I'm gonna show you how it's done. You know what I'm saying? It's all fucked up, you know, beat up right now. Oh, we got 350 in there. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, it's good. Pretty ain't. Oh, yeah. Got all the stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? See all messed up right now. Got that pipe right there. Show you how you hit that gas, how that bitch. You know what I'm saying? She all messed up inside right now, but as you can see, we doing the inside of the Cutlass right now. You know what I'm saying? They took the roof off, taking all the back tent off. See everything in the inside? It looks good, you know. See, I'm about to do the pedals, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was the Cutlass. Get your boy up on MySpace, man. MySpace.com/YoungDude page. I'll let your boy subscribe to me and the only Dude ENT.